When I was a student, I read a Calvin and Hobbes comic. It asking how do they know how much weight a brick can carry. In the comic, Calvin that say the driver bigger truck on one unlike it brick, but this is not true. Now I am an engineer. I work on projects with Sol. I now know the real answer. Engineer to do the test project by breaking the design brick to all the right amount of way from the big nine. Another question people ask is how do engineers build underwater? The answer is they usually don't building underwater. Instead, the build and land and later more the park underwater. Sometimes engineers build under the core even if there is water on top. This is called under construction. They use a big machine called a tunnel boring machine. It did a tunnel like a more deep in the core. This method was used to build the the tunnel between England and France. This king of machine stayed about uh, about 200 years ago with tunneling this. At first, workers built the tunnels step by step using wood to stay safe. Today we using advanced machine is engineer need to build something underwater like a tunnel or bridge. They often built back on land. For example, on Boston, the Ted William Tunnel was built in piers and land. Workers then cleaned the ocean floor and place each piece underwater. Later, they connect the piece and cover them with soil. This way, most of the work is done on dry land. Sometimes engineers make the underwater place dry so they can work there. There is something called a cover dam. It is like a strong way that keep water out. When the area is dry, the build like the wood and land. Another tool is cushion. It look like an upside down cup. Workers sink into the water. Air is prepared and sit inside so it stays dry. The worker go inside to build. The Brooklyn project was built this way, but working in kitchen can be dangerous. Some workers got sick from the pressure. Even the lead engineer had to stop working. Building an underwater is hard and risky. That's why engineers try to be on land on a dry place. Even if the structure ends up in water, the real building work is usually not done underwater. Area Perez.